Well, hello subscribers and welcome to my new tutorial today. Today, what we are going to do is we're going to learn how to install live Android inside your Linux distribution. And I'm using Zorin OS 5, which is based on Ubuntu 11.04, and this should work for any Linux distro or any Windows distro too, and even a Mac, just saying. So for the first thing you need is the live Android ISO, which you can get from this link, which will be in the description, which is code.google.com/p/live-android. So after you get to this site, what you have to do is scroll down and click download here, see version 2.0, and you hit that. After you click, I clicked the wrong link. So here you can have torrents, or you can just do the direct download. So what I did, and you can even download it in parts, like 2 parts, so that's unnecessary. I prefer the torrent, so I already have it downloaded on my desktop. Well, you do have the ISO now, but how do you install it? Well, for that you'll need Virtualbox. So I'll open up Virtualbox over here. If you don't have it, you'll have to go into a terminal or into the software center, and you'll have to type in sudo apt -get install virtualbox -osc. That's the command, but I already have it installed, so I won't do that. So after you have Virtualbox over here, you hit new to create a new virtual box, so virtual machine. So here you type in Android. The name doesn't matter, it's just for your reference. And in the operating system, you'll choose Linux, and you'll choose other Linux. Well, it'll work this way. You go to next, and you give it a RAM. I think 256 MB is enough. Anyway, it's just a mobile distro, so it doesn't need much. So you'll go to create a new hard disk, because you'll need a hard disk to install that on. Go to next, and in this steps you can choose dynamically expanding storage, but I say use the fixed size storage, because you'll need that. Because cell phones obviously come with a fixed storage, and it doesn't matter much. You won't need 8 GB. I think, well, 4 will be enough, so I'll give it 4 GB of space. Hit next, hit finish. So it'll take some time to create the hard disk. So that's it. You'll hit finish. Now you have an Android OS running over here. Now after this, you have the Virtualbox selected, and hit settings, because you'll have to tweak some settings over here. The settings dialog should open up. Yes. Well, the first thing you'll need to do is go to storage, and you'll have to go to this CD drive, the CD disk, and go to this and choose a virtual CD, DVD, disk file, whatever that is. You hit that, and since I have the ISO downloaded onto my desktop, I'll browse to my desktop, click the ISO, click open. With that done, you'll hit OK. Wait, you need to tweak some more settings, so we'll go there again. We'll go to system, and we'll uncheck enable absolute pointing device. That is very important. You have to do that, or else it won't work. We'll uncheck that, and if you want, you can uncheck the floppy disk thingy too. Go up, hit OK. Now we're done. So now what we have to do is click start, and it'll open up the Virtualbox for us, and you can choose this and hit OK. It's starting, and it'll boot up right now. As you can see, it has 2 options, a live Android, actually 2 resolutions. So I'll choose the first one, 800 by 600, which is OK. It'll load the kernel. It'll take some time. First, this screen will show up, the live Android screen, and then this screen will appear, which means it is booting, and it just works. So You can navigate through this using your computer keyboard too. I'm using the arrow keys to switch screens, or you can use the mouse that shows up over here. In fact, what you can do is, if you have a touchscreen monitor, you can use it to browse the Android inside your computer. This was actually made for PCs, but I tried it installing it through a USB device, and it ran off the USB quite well, but I couldn't record it through that, so that's why I'm doing this tutorial. Just like any Android device, you can pull it. I don't know if multi-touch works, so if any of you have a touchpad on your computer and you use this, please leave it in the comment section below and tell me how it works. All the Android functions are the same as Android on your mobile or tablets. So if I press and hold on the screen, I'll get this menu, which is always on Android. So what I'll do, I'll just show you how the browser in this works. So I'll drag this out, and where's the browser? Over here. So I'll click the browser and the browser opens up. It looks pretty neat. I really like this browser. Unknown, you can sign in. Look at the tabs over here, the web, images and places, and news tabs. And what else can you do? YouTube. Yes, the browser works. It's fully functional. And that's it for the tutorial today. I'll see you next time.